Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. It's me Sushant Paul in front of you, and right now I'm riding a bicycle. So I'm just holding this camera on my right hand and I'm riding a bicycle. So I have come here rural area. As you can see, it's a very beautiful area and I love nature beauty. Hope you all are fall in nature beauty. And as you can see behind me, there is a paddy field, but there are so many lily flowers. Okay, and all of you know that what is the national flower in Bangladesh? That is lily flower. Okay, so that's it, guys, and I'm going to the field for playing football. My team is over there. They already reached the playground and they went to by auto, but I'm going by bicycle. And I decided that if I make a video, then it will be great. And after that, I'm finally in front of camera. So that's it, guys. I don't want it more longer, but I want to show you our playground. So just wait a minute, and I'm walking now. It's a rural area. As you can see, there are so many beautiful trees and villages over there, and my team is over there, as you can see. So if you want to learn English, or if you want to improve your English, then you have to practice a lot, and I think you have to practice every single day. If you practice every single day, then you can speak English very well. There is no any shortcut way. I already mentioned my lots of videos that there is no any shortcut way to learn English. So if you want to improve your English skill, then you have to practice every single day, as well as you have to listen a lot. And I want to say another thing, that is you have to think in English. So actually it will take long time and it's not easy. So I don't want it more longer because of there is a tiny, what should I say, lag or like that, anything, but I don't know. So how can I pass this minibar? As you can see, it's a very little bit dangerous way to go over there, so I'm a little bit worried. I don't want it more longer. Goodbye, have a good day.